Hi, this is Fran Kennedy from Stampin' Up. I did a video that had to do with the 12 different ways you could use a spider web doily without non-Halloween. So here's a picture of the ways. Unfortunately, Stampin' Up has loads of back orders. I thought they would be here on October 20th, and now they have not set another date. The piece of doily that I'm going to use today is this piece right here. A lot of times we have unexpected birthdays or sympathy cards and we never have anything around. Well, what I'm doing today is, my suggestion is to have a lot of white or neutral cardstock, stamp happy birthday, sympathy, thinking of you. Those are three that pretty much cover quite a bit. And if you have any of these doilies, there's 24 in a pack, and like I said, they're back ordered, so I don't know, but if you have any kind of a doily, you can do the same thing. But anyway, I took some temporary adhesive, I put it in the middle, and what I did is I sponged around it in both Soft Sky and Blackberry Bliss. Before I show you that, I want to show you exactly how I code my sponges. These sponges are sold through Stampin' Up. There's 3 sponges. You can cut them in 4th, 1/8, whatever size you want. I picked this size, sometimes a little bit smaller. But in order to not get ink all over your hands, I found that if you just take any shape that you have and staple that color of cardstock, after you've punched it obviously, and then staple it, you will get less ink on your fingers when you're sponging. This is an old punch, but I usually put the name and the piece of cardstock on it. That way, when I'm looking for that color, I already have it marked and I can just grab it from the bin. Okay, I'm just going to take the Soft Sky and I'm just sponging it, just tapping it in the middle. This is your lighter color, so you have to do it probably quite a bit more than you do your darker color because it takes a while to cover. Then if you take something like another color like your Blackberry Bliss, and if you take a darker color, it will go on a lot faster and a lot quicker. You can just decide if you want to sponge it in a circle around it or however you want to do it. I'm doing this very quickly. Then you pull this off and you have a quick design. This is a card that I did for a class. Get this out of the way a minute. And it was just a very simple one. I just sponged it very lightly with a Soft Sky and then added a little Blackberry Bliss here and there. And then I took a 1/2 inch punch and put a rhinestone in the middle. This stapler is a wonderful stapler with Stampin' Up has. It's a handheld one, and you can just staple anything on a card. To a certain point, some of the scrapbook with parts and pieces. It's on 160. The number is 139083, and it's $10. The sponges, 3 in a pack. It's like $3.50 for 3 of them. It's on page 163. The number is 101610. Well, I hope this gives you a quick idea just for some quick cards that you can do that you might need in an emergency. Thank you for stopping by. Have a great day.